Hey, this is Thor with the ATVSuperstore.com. I want to do a little comparison here. We actually have a new spring coming in tomorrow for our clutch kit. So I'm going to take this out now for a little spin and show you guys the speed and the RPMs. And then we'll do the same thing in the next day or two when I get the spring installed. Here we go. And of course I have my faithful dog with me, Sasha, aka the Wolf. So we're gonna take the Ridge for a little spin while it's still stock. And of course, when you take off, it does jerk a little bit. Cloudy weather, snow today here in Prescott, Arizona. It's melted already, but tomorrow they're calling for rain. Sunday they're calling for 69 degrees and sunny. Should be a nice day to go for a ride on Sunday. Again, I'll be doing the same course tomorrow also. Or the day after, whenever I get this spring installed. So let's head up the road here. Then we'll make a left on Copper Basin, get some speed going, and go from there. Top of the hill, no cars, let's hit it. First I'm going to 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 'We'll stop at 45 because I don't want to get a ticket. That was our test. Climbing up a short hill. And I will do the same tomorrow or the day after when I install the spring. So it's been about a week since I filmed that last video. The part showed up yesterday. So we are now going to do the same course, pretty much same speeds. One tip when you're going to do this installation, get longer bolts, 2 of them, because if not, it's impossible to get that spring on there with those shorter bolts that are in the actual clutch itself. So remember, get longer bolts, 2 of them. So let's do the speed test. Okay, let's hit it. Trying to do exactly what I did last week with speed. I'll be turning here shortly. And when I climbed the hill last time, I was at 22 miles per hour at 5,800 RPMs. let's do it again. Let's see what it is. Climb the hill here. Get up to 22 miles per hour. Next we'll be turning on the Copper Basin. I did 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So we will start at 2,500 RPMs. Back down, 40, 35, 'and that's it. Same course, pretty much same speed. So now let's head back to the house and check out both videos and see what the differences are. Interesting to see. Got my windows tinted today, ready for the summertime. So I'll look over this footage and give you my final results shortly. Okay, so I reviewed the footage on both springs, and this is what I've come up with so far. Now, all these tests were done during acceleration, so remember that. At 13 miles per hour when I was leaving the subdivision, I was at 5,800 RPMs last week. Today I was at 4,200. At 19 miles per hour, I was at 5,000, and today I was at 4,500. As I was climbing the hill, I was at 5,800 RPMs. I'm now at 5,200 RPMs. Getting onto Copper Basin. 25 miles per hour was at 5,800 RPMs, and I was at 5,100 RPMs today. At 35 during acceleration, I was at 6,400 RPMs. Today I was at 6,000. At 40 miles per hour, 6,900 versus 6,000. And at 45, I was at 7,200 RPMs. Today I was at 6,800 RPMs. Now again, this is during acceleration. Now during coasting speed, huge improvement. You know, once you get to that 35 miles per hour and you're keeping it there, super quiet. So it is a huge improvement. No more jerking, very smooth acceleration. Is it worth 50 bucks? Yeah, it's worth 50 bucks, absolutely. So eventually I'll be getting my weights in, hopefully the next couple weeks. I've been waiting a month already, and so have many other people, I'm sure. So when I get that installed, I'll do another video on that. So for now, I hope you liked our video. Like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. My name is Thor, I'm the owner of the ATV Superstore. You can call me anytime, 815-321-3888, or send us an email to the atvsuperstore@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.